Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best doorbell camera for elders you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many doorbell camera for elders and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each doorbell camera for elders so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a doorbell camera for elders. First, ease of use is the most important factor. The device should have a simple interface, large buttons, and clear video quality. Second, consider the installation process. A doorbell camera that is wireless or easy to mount will reduce confusion and physical strain. Third, look for features like two-way audio so elders can talk to visitors without opening the door. Also, motion detection and instant alerts help them stay aware of activity outside. Another key point is compatibility with smartphones or smart displays, making it easier for family members to help monitor their safety. Lastly, ensure good customer support and clear instructions for setup. A reliable brand with strong reviews can make a big difference in daily use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.